Alright, so you can see the little micro crack there in the drain pipe and the constant drip here. So that's, you know, it's a bad valve somewhere. One of them is going bad. Alright, so now we're going to, we built a new pipe so that it lines right up with the other one. Just like that. Now we're going to put it up in there. That's the fun part. Alright, just a little, alright. Alright, so we got this up here. Now we gotta line this up. We gotta get the seal in here under that, and then we got to screw this in with the tub wrench and the screwdriver, kind of to turn it. Alright, so let's do that next. Alright, let me see if I can kind of position this so you can kind of see what I'm doing somewhat anyway. Alright, so drop him in and just start turning him in, and then we'll get the wrench in on this like so. We're going to just start turning him in, and that's all going to start lining up. A lot of it you can do by hand. Pretty much hand turn this in. The putty comes up as it continues to go down. Sure that's staying lined up. So the seal will go in there. Alright, let's keep going. You're gonna get a lot of putty come up. There's a lot of threads on this. You gotta really turn it. Not too tight, 'cause you don't want to break it either. But you want to have it snug enough, so what I'm gonna do is make sure I kind of just turn it a little bit more than I can with my hand, just to get a little more snug. I can still go a little bit more. Thicker side of the seal on here, and that's going to slip right in like that. That pretty much just goes right on it, and just kind of get it in there. Alright, like so. And then basically what you're going to do, let's go ahead and screw this bad boy in, and that'll bring this up with the seal itself. Make sure that's on. Is that not, is it not high enough? Okay, it's not quite high enough, so we're gonna have to go back down and raise that just a little bit. All right, so here's the new tub stopper and the new overflow valve. Got the new piping in there. While I was down there, I discovered part of the pipe is still broke, so I got to fix that yet. So we got to go back down there now and address that issue. So here we go. Because see the leaks now? It's coming through that pipe now. Instead of up here anymore, it's all coming through here, which is good. Means I've channeled it where it belongs. So once I tie this back,
I
believe that means that I've solved it because it's coming down where I need it to. So yeah, I just got to cement this together real quick, and like if I were to like dry this up a little bit, I bet you no more drips come through there. After I do all this, I'm gonna run the tub and stuff, and I believe we've solved the problem. It looks like it. All right, so here we are. At the tub that I rebuilt. So we're gonna run some water. Okay, I'm gonna run that tub a little bit. Now I wanna run the shower, make sure there's no plumbing issues in the shower. No back drips or nothing. So there's a little drip in that, but it's not necessarily a problem. It does tend to drip into there, but that is sealed off, so I seriously doubt that will leak any. That would be nice to get that solved. Let's get that all there. Do a little talk. All right, so we rebuilt the pipe all the way to the P-trap, all the way up to the tub overflow, brand new pipes all the way down to here. And that cured all the leaks that were here. Boom. Just doing a double check here. Everything else is holding, so